In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google to navigate Clipchamp, an excellent tool for both amateur and professional video editors alike. Whether you're creating content for work or fun, understanding how to effectively use Clipchamp can elevate the quality of your video projects and add a professional touch. First things first, let's head over to Clipchamp. If you're not familiar with it, Clipchamp is a powerful yet user-friendly platform that allows video editing directly in your web browser. No need for cumbersome software downloads. Simply open your browser and type in the Clipchamp URL or search for it through Google. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with its straightforward interface designed to help you get started without any fuss. Now let's dive into the specifics of managing your media. On the right side of the Clipchamp interface, you'll find a variety of options tailored for editing your video. Look for the section labeled Effects. This is the playground where you can add various enhancements to your video clips. Once you find it, click on Effects, which will open up a myriad of editing tools you can use to transform your content. Among these effects, you'll want to search for Blur. The blur effect is especially useful if you're looking to bring focus to a certain area of your video or need to obscure sensitive information, making it a go-to tool for many video editors. When you locate Blur in the Effects menu, go ahead and click on it. This action will activate the Blur tool, and you'll see its effects represented on your video timeline. Now, the key to mastering this tool lies in adjusting the blur to fit your specific needs. To do this, simply drag the settings to modify the intensity and area of blur on your video. This customizable feature ensures that you can tailor the effect precisely as required, whether you're aiming for a subtle touch or a more pronounced effect. Once you're satisfied with how the blur looks on your video, you're essentially done with this task. You've successfully navigated through the Clipchamp interface using Google as your guide, implemented a stylish blur effect, and learned how to customize it to suit your editing requirements. So there you have it, a straightforward yet effective method to enhance your video projects using Clipchamp. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you explore and experiment with the various tools available on Clipchamp, the more skillful you'll become at editing. Don't be afraid to try new effects and push the boundaries of your creativity. Thank you for tuning into this guide, and feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a quick refresher. Happy editing!